I just had wonderful lunch today. It's kind of a street restaurant over here. Today I want to talk about synchronicity. And synchronicity, what Carl Jung, the famous psychologist, said that it's meaningful coincidences. And so I would call it that nothing is random in this universe. So the people you meet, the situation you get entangled with, or there are surprises. So whatever you experience is kind of synchronistic. So each event is sort of bound to happen in your life rather than random. And I'm compelled to share with this thing that what I have experienced today is that I was looking to buy a laptop, and me and Fatma were wandering on the streets, and we've just checked a few shops as well. But we were not in a way decided in our heads that what kind of laptop we would need. And we just saw this board of a shop, and the shop was downstairs, in kind of a dungeon kind of a shop. And we found that handsome guy, middle-aged guy over there. And with that first contact, we had something happened between that person and us. And there was a connection over there. I sort of sensed it. And he started guiding us, so where you are from, And when so we had this relationship in few minutes. And he said that, I'm into spirituality, and I was in Japan, and I was part of that particular group where people would talk about spirituality and that stuff. And out of nowhere, he sort of helped us buy a very cheap laptop, which came into our budget, and that's how we clicked. So the message I want to give you is that whatever you do, your relationship precedes everything. So I have this weird relationship which was very synchronistic. We were bound to, as if we were bound to meet over there. And I also feel that the day I came here and the day I'm trying to align myself with my personal truth, I find that more and more synchronicities are happening in my life. I don't know what's happening with you, but I would like you to see whether synchronicities are part of you or not, because synchronicities are not rare. They are there. I'm also sort of trying to see that, how it is being played out in our lives. How synchronicities are not random. They are there. We need to just discover them. So please do comment and share with me if you find that synchronicities are also part of your life. I would love to hear from you.